Okay, welcome back. We are at 3608 East Abraham Lane in Phoenix. We're heading more and more north. We're getting better as far as the quality of the houses. The last one was pretty nice, and it is incidentally about, I don't know, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, 5 minutes to the south, just up the 51 of Pinnacle High School, which is located right across the street here beyond these trees. So it's literally walking distance from this fourth house. This thoroughfare that goes through here is a little bit busy, not always, just pretty much during the daytime and then at rush hour. But beyond that, it's a pretty quiet nook, if you like. So during the day, you would hear some traffic noise. That's the only drag. Other than that, this house is really, really nice. It's on a great street. Built much later in 2013. 2-car garage. All the bedrooms are to the front with the exception of the primary, so it gives some good space. Let's check it out. It smells great. It's clean. Doesn't need any paint. The carpet's great. Everything is just fine. It literally is move-in ready. 2-car garage here. I'll show you briefly. See if we can get a light on it. Yeah, okay, great, even better. So it has water softener and it has storage. The water heater is hooked up correctly. They're usually housed in the garage here. Looks like it might have a reverse osmosis system as well. Nice, clean, no oil spills, no foul smells, and a place to hang up your coat, which you probably won't even need one out here. Here's one of the guest bedrooms here, right to the front. Going across the hall real quickly, there's going to be another guest bedroom to the very front of the house. These rooms, my guess, eyeballing probably 11 by 11, 10 by 10, something like that. This is the laundry facility again, where we would be charged with getting washer and dryer in here. But like I said, those are a dime a dozen out here, depending on what you want to get, but there's plenty. Okay, here, nice bathroom, tall ceilings. This would be a shared bathroom. Just linen. Before we head into the kitchen, we'll go to this room here. This is the last or third bedroom. This would probably serve as an office. I would guess it has the privacy. It's a decal. It's not really shaded glass, but it's appeared to be that way, which is a nice, kind of cuts the glare a little bit and gives you some added privacy in here. Good deal. Okay. So with the doors open, this is what the entry door looks like. It's really beautiful. Nice style. All right, so as we go into the kitchen here, this is just sort of like a, gather place. Some people put a round table here. Some people don't put anything here. It's just kind of a decorative little space. It's kind of hard to see it, but I don't know, just sort of the way they design the house. It gives it a little more space, and it's attractive. I'm being quiet for the most part because I really want to hear that traffic noise. But when these doors are closed, you're not going to hear that. I just have them open right now for the sake of, easy come, easy go out of the house for this tour. But once the house is closed up, you're not going to hear that. And if you're sitting outside, you might, but probably not so much at nighttime. And during the daytime here, you probably won't be sitting outside all that much. And in the summertime, you definitely won't. So for a good 4 to 6 months, easy, there's not gonna be much to do out here anyways. The reason I like it out here though versus the other properties, despite not having a pool, or at least in the house. I believe there's a community pool here and hot tub, but it's really pretty. So it has some nice lighting. And it's got the fake grass. And it's just well taken care of, you know, it's just a nice, pretty little setting. You can always scoot over to the, apparently it has clubhouse, rec room, tennis courts, community spa. Do they have a pool here? I'm trying to read the sheet. I would think that there is a community pool, but maybe not. I'll double check on that. But nonetheless, let's just concern ourselves with the home first. Gas fireplace. This would be the primary suite, so this is on the back end of the house. Carpet's in great shape, could use a vacuum, but other than that, clean, no bugs, no smells, no stains, looks good. This is the view out the primary window. And then you have an exit door there too to go right out onto the porch area, the pavers, if you want to exit there from the bedroom. This is the bathroom, dual sinks. Beautiful shower. Nice soaking tub if you feel like you have time for that. I don't know. I don't know if I would ever. I might fill that with ice and Gatorade and Diet Coke and other assortment of Evian, I guess. Really nice walk-in closet. Very large. Complete with dressing mirror. How nice. Okay, let's go back into the kitchen, and then that'll wrap it up at about 8 minutes for this tour. Really nice. It's a gray color on the walls. It's just, this one's really, really nice. If you're okay with the traffic, I would think that if anyone's gonna go to Pinnacle, this is the obvious choice. It's right across the street. Whether you're driving or walking, it's quick. So I just think this is the cleanest one so far. I'm awfully glad that we toured it today. It seems like the houses are getting better and better as we go. So let's keep going. Let's move on to the next one. Thank you for watching. Ooh, these pretty flowers. I mean, didn't they think of everything? Unbelievable.